Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Toya Rey and I am back with another video. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, let me just go ahead and say this. If your girl mess up or if she stumble over her words, guess what? She ain't re-recording. No, y'all gonna take me flaws and all, okay? So now that we got that out of the way, let me personally get on here and thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate all the love. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Radiant Goddess family. We love to have you here. Okay, so now that all of that is done, okay, the video that we are looking at today is what you guys requested when I asked what you guys wanted to see next after I did my reloads that I had to do was a haircut on damaged hair. So let me just go ahead and explain to you guys what's going on in the video. You're gonna see me do a haircut in the video on some damaged hair. What happened in this instance is too much protein. This client was chair hopping, going to different stylists. You know, she's trying to figure out who she likes, who she wants to stick with. But she has been getting protein treatments every time, almost every week. And that is a big no. Okay, guys? Protein treatments should be done every 8 to 10 weeks. But I do not fault this client at all, because if she is going to a new stylist, what a stylist should be doing for clients that are new to them is having consultations to see what's going on with their hair, if they're noticing anything different all of a sudden with their hair, what's their hair care routine. You got to kind of figure your client out. You got to know what they're doing at home. And the only way that I knew that she was receiving protein treatments every week is because I asked questions. Immediately when I saw her hair, I was like, how did it get to this point? What have you been doing? I need answers before we start. Okay. So guys, don't just be hopping in the stylist chairs. You need to go to stylists who are going to give you a consultation, at least have a little talk with you. It doesn't take long to do it all. We want to know what's going on with your hair, want to know what your hair goals are. You know, if you're on medication that could affect some of your services, it may not be time for a chemical treatment, things like that. Like, it's very important to know these things before we start on our client. So yes, this is the gist of the video. Now, you're not going to see in styling on this video. This client really didn't want to be on camera, so I had to be kind of careful. Like, hey, I'm just filming the back of your hair, which she was okay with that. But this is a mature client, so she came in for a roller set, which we couldn't do in this service because I really needed to see and assess how much damage and really get an accurate cut. So we did a silk press, and at the end, I just curled her real tight. Like, she had a roller set, and she walked out the door like that. So my younger audience know that's not the hairstyle for you, but this is a mature client, so that's what she wanted, and she was happy with that. But the most important thing is that we were able to remove a lot of damage from her hair. Now, I will say with this haircut, guys, okay? With this haircut, this is not a haircut really to cut her in a style. This is a haircut because she really did not want all of her hair chopped off. This is a client, I've seen her before picture. This is a client who used to have long, beautiful hair, and she converted from a relaxer to being natural, and it just went all the way left with her not getting the proper care that she needed from professional stylists. So going to a big shop, like, honestly, how much damage she had on her hair, she would be in a haircut like mine. Like, my haircut is a shortcut, relaxed shortcut. She would have been in a haircut like that. And when we initially did the consultation, I had explained to her, like, if you want to remove all the damage, what she had said, your hair is going to be just as short as mine. So roller set, no, can't do it. And then before I started cutting, she's like, hey, I want to talk about this haircut again, which I can understand, because going from a state where you've had long hair and then going to what we have now and being forced into a haircut, that's drastic. So what we did is we cut majority of the damage off and got her to a happy medium where she could have a fresh start. And basically this haircut is to mask areas that are shorter and broken off in her hair, and you know, just to give her a starting point, a new starting point for a healthy hair. And as her hair grows out, then we'll cut back some more. She comes back. Like I said before, she's a bit of a chair hopper, so we'll see. But I'm glad that I was able to get her to this point and that we was able to cut what we cut. So I'm very happy with the progress so far. So my recommendations for her is no more protein treatments right now. Your protein out. You don't need protein treatments. You don't even need it within the 8 to 10 week time period. I told her replace the protein treatments with Olaplex treatments. Those are strengthening treatments. Those are hair bonding. It rebuilds your hair bonds and your hair as a really good treatment to do, and also hydration treatments as well. So hopefully she takes my advice. Hopefully she finds the stylist that she falls in love with, and they have a good hairstylist client relationship. But I would say that we got her off to a pretty good start. So that is it for my voiceover on this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the description box below. If you're in the Atlanta area and you want to book an appointment with me, I'm located in Forest Park, Georgia. You can visit my website to book an appointment. For my people in Savannah, Georgia, my hometown, I am working on coming back home to at least once or twice a month over a weekend to slay some heads in Savannah. And I will have those dates and information for you. This is going to be a new normal for me, going back and forth between Atlanta and Savannah. So get ready. It's coming. I promise. So with that being said, I'm done with the voiceover on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have more good stuff for you all coming up. As always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for being a part of my Rey'diant Goddess family. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. And if you're watching, yes, watch to the end and go watch another video, please. And make sure you join our family. And for those who are already part of my family that came back to watch this video, thank you so much for your continued support. Until next time, girl. See, I messed up the voiceover. I was doing good. But until next time, y'all have a good one. It's your girl, Toya Rey. I'm out. See you on the next one.